Hi all, I'm Dr. Naveen. As you all know, the whole world has come to a standstill due to corona infection and dentist life has become miserable. So during this tough time, I thought a lot how best we can incorporate aerosol practice. So I've come out with a design for aerosol containment box. I call it CAB, COVID aerosol box. Please have a look.
Hi all, today I'm going to show you the COVID aerosol box cap. See, this is a portable box. It has covered fully with all the vents. Even on the bottom side it is covered with a PVC sheet. We have to fix it to the dental chair with the help of the Velcro strap. We are going to fix it easily. Very easy to fix it. Now it is fixed. You can see the movement of the box with the dental chair is stable, not going to fall. You can even move the chair up and down as well as easy. Now we will show you how a patient can sit inside. First up, is our patient. First we'll open the lid. We'll open these magnetic clips. We'll open it. Fix it. Lie down. Then again we are going to again we are going to close this lid. Easily position back. Close the lid. Fix these magnetic clips here, which will seal the compartment totally. Once it is done, the sealing is done, you can come to it. Now we will show how to access different corners of your mouth. Now for example, we want to check the right side quadrant, first quadrant and fourth quadrant. You can as well as see here. Look up. I am able to easily check the fourth quadrant and first quadrant. Easily. For the sake of visibility, how good these instruments are visible, I have not switched on the light. Switch on the light. Once we switch on the light, I can see the teeth as comfortable as possible. This is first quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Now second quadrant and third quadrant. I am able to easily access. Now I need an instrument like aeroter. I will be able to pass it through the small vent, easily collect it and do all my quadrant dentistry. Now my ancillary is going to insert the suction. Right hand. He is going to even do the retraction for me. So you all can see. I'll just switch off the light. You all can see it's easily possible to retract all corners of the mouth. And suppose he has to pass me some instrument during the procedure. There is another vent here which will help us to pass the instrument. Cement carrier. Now he will pass me a cement carrier through this vent, which I can easily engage. Now any major instruments like you have which are big in size, glass slab or some instruments which does not fit through these two vents as well as that side, you can always open the lid during the procedure, keep it directly onto the working area like this. So this is the advantage of flexible, comfortable lid. You all can see there is hardly any space here. There is hardly any space here, which is sealed completely, and this flexibility will provide different sizes of patient to be seated easily. Suppose a patient who is big in size, he can be seated easily with this flexibility. Now, patient who wants to spit during the procedure, how we can do? We have to stop. Patient has to show us some sign We'll open this, open the magnet. Please get up and sit. She should be able to get up and sit. Please sit back. Then again close this. And close. Now how do I make this cap into a negative chamber? Suction. Remove this disposable tip. Keep the suction inside. So invariably the pressure inside the chamber is taken by this suction. So whatever left out air has to come from outside only. So there is no way that aerosol will try to come from inside to out rather than from outside to inside only the air will flow. This is an advantage. We are also looking at small attachments like extraoral suction through this line. You can also use an extraoral suction. Suppose somebody has a consciousness regarding the oxygen suffocation or any other requirements, these vents, this amount of flexibility has always been able to provide a good amount of oxygen. Patient has never suffered any suffocation. Till now I have done 10 procedures ranging from 10 minutes to 45 minutes. There was no problem at all. Thank you.